The first step is makeup removal. We cleanse the eyebrows using a gentle foam. Any excess foam is removed from the face with a dry cotton pad. We degrease the eyebrows with a toner. First, we gently brush the eyebrows with a soft spoolie and carefully shape them with precise tweezers. Before tinting, we mapped out the brows, and now we proceed to henna coloring. We have already mixed two shades, 202 and 106. The proportions are 30% of shade 202 and 70% of shade 106. Next, we apply the first layer. To ensure it is thin enough, I use a flat angled synthetic brush and gently press the dye onto the brow, distributing it evenly. So we have already applied the first layer to the second brow, and while we were applying the first layer to the second brow, our first brow has already dried, so we can now apply the second layer to this brow. I continue to work with a non-thick consistency, applying a light layer. Now I am adding density only to the tip of the brow to enhance the richness specifically in this area. With gentle tapping motions, I add henna to the tip of the second brow. At the same time, the first layer has already dried. We remove the henna using a two-phase tonic. The henna has completely dried. First of all, we press a cotton pad against the brow to slightly moisten the henna, and then we will completely remove it from the brow. After completing the procedure, I set the hairs in place with a fixing gel. For this, I use a disposable brush. First, I comb the hairs downward, then against their growth, and as a third step, I fix them in the direction of growth. This way, we achieve the most long-lasting hold possible.